We will use this eye model to simulate the formation of an image in the eye. The model contains a lens, an adjustable body, and a piece of tracing paper. The tracing paper simulates the retina. With a suitable length of the box, light from an object passing through the lens will focus on the tracing paper. Point the eye model at some faraway object. Adjust the length of the box to focus the object on the tracing paper. What does the image formed on the tracing paper look like? Cover half of the lens using a black piece of paper. Is there any change in the image?